I'm going to show you how to reset basic settings for the one-touch windows. This needs to be done every time you disconnect the battery or unplug the door control module. Press and hold in the up position for approximately 3 seconds, and then press the button down and it should automatically go down to the bottom. It's at the bottom, press and hold up and it should auto roll up. And now you can verify this by actuating the windows up and down and make sure that the one touch is working. If it doesn't start to roll up on its own, simply roll the window all the way up and repeat the steps. This does need to be repeated for each window, so you can do it all from the driver window switch. This car only has 2, but if you had 4, you'd have to repeat it 4 times. And just like that, you've set basic settings on your windows. I hope this helps, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.